Today let's look at this ANBULL Cordless Pressure Washer. So the brand is ANBULL, A-N-B-U-L-L, and this is their cordless pressure washer. It is 21 volt, comes with a big 7.5 ohm battery, which is cool. Another thing I got to point out right away is this runs off the same batteries as Makita. So you can put a Makita battery in this. So if you're already in the Makita system, they do not offer any sort of cordless pressure washer that's anything like this. So you could go ahead, use your batteries. You'll still get this great big 7.5 ohm battery, which should give you a ton of runtime. But then if you already have other Makita batteries, you can use it with that too. So that's really cool. 650 PSI, which is really good for one of these cordless pressure washers. Other ones I've used and seen are, in that 350 range. So this should be stronger than that. And it should be about 1.35 gallons per minute. Okay, since you got that big battery, got a good 60 to 70 minutes, which is nice too. A lot of the other ones, smaller batteries, are only lasted 20 to 30 minutes. So it's great that you have all of that. So let's look at everything that's included here, and then we'll do another video where we set it all up and get it ready to go. All right, so this is actually the nozzle for the pressure washer wand. Okay, we've got some connections for the hoses. So it comes with a hose, okay? Comes with this hose, and then it also comes with a filter like this. So this filter is going to go on one end of the hose. That'll be dropped into a water source, like a bucket of water, or I use this down, we live on a lake. I use these to clean our dock or our boat. You can just drop that into the lake, and the filter's on the end so that it's obviously not sucking up anything that it shouldn't. So that's what you have here. This is another end that will go ahead and connect to the pressure washer. So we'll connect this to the other end of the hose, and it's very easy. And again, I'll show that separate video, but you're going to push it on and then turn that down. So you'll see that happen in the next video. Okay, but that's what those two parts are for. The other accessory up here that you can't see just yet is one of these collapsible buckets. So this is just a collapsible bucket, and again, I'll show that more in the demonstration so you get to see that, see that all the way in frame. Okay, then we've got your wand, right? So here's your wand in here. This is where you're going to go ahead and attach this piece. And again, we'll just do all that in the next video. Comes with a little soap dispenser attachment too. So that's what this is for. If you're going to use any type of soap, you can go ahead and put it in there and use this to spray that. Here's your charger. All right, so your charger plugs into the battery. But then again, also, like I said, if you have Makitas, you can use the same Makita chargers with that, and the same Makita batteries as well. Of course, they give you some instructions here, but I'm going to show you all this stuff as well, so that should make it pretty easy. All right, and then the main unit itself is right here, okay? So you can see, nice. It's big enough that it's going to be powerful, but it's not too big that it's like overly heavy or anything, even with the 7.5 ohm battery. But of course, you give up some of that lightweight because you want the cordless feature. So, but it's definitely not too heavy. So very cool. I really like that it can work with Makita because they do not have an option like this yet. So you've got two different, flushing modes. You can do the soap dispenser. You can use the regular cleaning dispenser like I showed you. That nice big battery. The battery has the nice indicator on it, like that, so that you know how much life you've got left in there, which is great. And it's 21 volt and a max 650 PSI. All right, so this is the ANBULL Cordless Pressure Washer. Come on back, I'll do a video where I set it all up, and then we'll do a video where we actually use it to, probably to wash a car or part of the car.